What's up, guys? It's Sunday morning. I've already been at 2 spots today. Was way too tired to start vlogging at that point. I'm just at another office park. That's about all I'm going to be hitting today, unless a construction site I flew at before is still flyable. It's a tree spot mostly. Some windows to wall ride. There's a gap back there, but there's a fence at the bottom now, so it's even harder than it was before. Gonna get a couple more packs here. I've only flown 2 packs at every spot so far, and yeah, just flying the 3.5 and 3-inch Carnage. Alright, I'm at the last spot of the day, which is the construction site. It's a little more finished than the last time I flew it. They've tarped up the windows and doors, so that's a little too bad, but I think I should be able to fly inside. Probably take it easy because I don't really feel like hopping this fence again like last time. So this is where I'm going in and out of. Let's see what we can do. I didn't have to hop the fence or do a walk of shame. So that's all I care about. That's gonna end it here though. Yeah, that's it. See ya.